are going to love the 2015 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, center armrest, fog lights, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, UCONNECT hands-free group, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.